What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video in my backyard. I got this new camera, y'all, man. Forgive me if I'm looking off or looking the other way. I'm trying to learn how to look directly in the camera, you know, so forgive me if I'm looking somewhere else. Anyhow, man, I'm finna go up in this garage. I got this cross member. This feels real nice outside. I'm finna barbecue. I got the cross member in here. Found out that I got to get another transmission mount because that don't fit the G-force cross member. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Here we go. Alright, this is a cross member right here, guys. As you can see. I thought I was gonna be able to squeeze it up underneath there, but as it looks like I'm gonna have to cut my exhaust to get it up in there and then get it welded back. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my exhaust and then get this get it mounted up, and then I temporarily get it fitted. So a temporary fix, man, and I take it to the exhaust shop and shit, get it back together. All right, man, here we go. See. Okay, guys, I got it cut off. I'm probably only gonna need to cut just one of those, and I'll just patch it back up till I get it to the exhaust shop. Let's go ahead and see what how we can fit that in there now. Get it up there. There we go. I guess it go up in there like that. I got it wrong. Well, we got the cross member in here, guys. Let me go get the instructions and I'm gonna get back with you. I don't want to screw nothing up. Okay, guys, I'm matching this hole up. Matching these holes up with the cross member. Hole right there and hole right there. Luckily, I ain't got to, drill out some more holes and shit. We're gonna take a break from underneath the car for a minute, man. We know it fits, so that's a good thing. So I'm just waiting on the transmission mount. Then I'm gonna drop the car down and measure it for a drive shaft. Right now, I'm cleaning this off. I want to cover that converter up, that torque converter. I want to try to cover it up, at least try to use one of these pans, see which one of these fit. Right now I'm just degreasing it. Yeah. And I'm thinking about customizing my Durango, man, wrapping it or something, man, I don't know. So I'll put something on, put some kind of wheels on it. It's OG right now, original. Twin Durangos, me and the wife. Yeah, it's gonna be my next project, man. After I get this done, I'm gonna get to this right here.